Hey, what's up, guys? So I just decided to start videotaping. I just downloaded this about 5 minutes ago, and hopefully we can get some good characters and maybe even find the hipster whale. Hopefully, let's just see what goes on. And I got Panda X sitting right next to me. So, shout out to Panda X and subscribe to him. Oh god. Go away, bird. Uh-oh. My high score I got was 110. Let's see if I can beat it. That's nice. Oh, I'm about to beat it. Oh god, no. Dude, oh, I got past it. Thank God. Thank you, God. Let's see if I can go for 200. Huh, that would be a miracle. What if I could find the hipster whale? That would be a miracle also. I'd just be like, yes, hipster whale. No! I got 180. I was coughing. Oh, no thank you. I would not like to buy that cow. You cow. Oh, let's see. Let's spin the wheel here. Okay, it's not a wheel, it's a prize thing. Okay, let's see what we can get. Oh god, we got a jaguar. Let's do it again. Wait, let's do it again. Oh, spin the thing, spin the thing, spin the thing. Oh, we got a poopy pigeon. This is gonna be fun. Now let's use him.
Oh yeah, also
Oh, he drops poops.
Also me and John, we're doing a collab together.
What's going on? What's going on? Why is my phone freezing? And I just died. He pooped at the same time.
My phone too.
It was like, oh, don't start acting on me, phone. Come on, phone. Oh, it's acting on me. It's acting. Maybe I'll have to switch back. The poopy bird is not being nice.
How'd you get that, dude? Did you just fart?
Yeah. Uh-oh.
That's actually funny.
No! Poopy bird. Poopy bird. Yeah. Yeah, let's switch back to the chicken. I don't know. Maybe it's freezing because...
Chicken dickin'.
Oh, yeah. It's not freezing anymore. Wow. Thanks a lot, Poopy bird. Making my phone freeze. And making me die. All those times. Oh yeah, and if you guys can you subscribe? I mean, not subscribe, sorry. Can you comment below any apps to like edit videos and stuff? You know, like to make them like intros or like or anything like that. You know, like
I can make you an intro.
So stuff like that.
I know how to make intro.
Yeah, but I want to do it myself. Not on like the computer, so if you guys know any like apps or anything on the phone, just please comment below and tell me like, or like things like so I could like, I don't know, like make like sound effects and stuff. That would be cool.
Bro, I can make you an intro. Like
Okay, well, thanks guys.
John, I can make you a cool intro, bro.
Yes, please remind me. Let's watch this video to earn some stuff. Oh, that was a bad idea. How long is that video? Oh, it's 30 seconds. Oh God. What is it even doing? What is this? It's not even full screen. Well, I'm just waiting for this ad to end, and then we can play. Hopefully.
Crossy rip.
Hopefully, I can find the hipster whale. The hipster whale. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's see who we can get. Hopefully we get something better than the freezy poopy bird. Okay, we got the wombat. Let's try him out. It's gonna be nope.
Oh, I think someone's here.
Okay. Oh well. Well, someone just came in my house. I'm just kidding, it's not my house. Oh God. Is the eagle gonna take me? Is the eagle gonna take me? Don't take me, eagle. Oh, and the eagle took me. Great. Well, guys, this time we did not find the hipster whale, but next time, hopefully we can. I'll see you guys later. Peace.